What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today we're doing a video about Nucypher. It's up to $1.04. It had a nice pump from 80 cents all the way to $1.30 today. So things are starting to recover in crypto. We had this bad news, with everything that's going on in the world, and so it dropped the price down of basically all assets. Risk assets, high risk assets, all took a tumble, right? There's a few that held because they were pumping at the time, like BAT, and a couple of other ones. But then after it happened, we had a lot of nice pumps. Look at this. So Nucypher went from 81, 82, 83, 84, and then had a nice peak to 86, and then dumped down to 75. And then from 75, it proceeded to 80 and then $1.30. So it was a good day for Nucypher to close out the week, basically. It has been really up and down for crypto lately, but I think as we get into this holiday season and as we get into the biggest alt season and Bitcoin season, we're going to see a lot of new all-time highs. I still think that we are going to end in February, just like we always have. Beginning to mid-February is probably going to be the end of this bull market. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. In the meantime, when we make a lot of videos about these cryptos, there's only certain cryptos that you see I make videos about. I think we're up to about 40 different cryptos that we make videos about. But as you know, I don't just make videos about crypto that just pump, because the reason that I do make videos about cryptos that pump is because I've already made videos about them. I've said that before, but I also want you to know that it helps the videos when I make videos about cryptos that are trending. That's why I do it. I don't do it because they're blasting off. I just want you guys to know that. I do it because the search results for these cryptos are trending, but I don't do all of them. Like, there's a bunch of trending, right? So I pick whatever ones are trending, plus I've made videos about them before, or I'm just getting introduced to them, and I tell you about the crypto and we learn about it together, and then, we make videos about it if it pumps later. So that's how I decide when to make my videos on crypto. It has a lot to do with a lot of different things. So don't think I'm just like telling you to buy all these cryptos at the top. No, I told you weeks, months, whatever ago about them. And now, hopefully, if you're holding them, you're able to take your profits. And that's another thing, not financial advice, entertainment purposes, only common sense. But you got to take your profits, guys. Because look what happened with Algorand. It pumped from $1.60 to $2.82. Now, that would have been the perfect time to take your profit. As it went all the way back down, you're able to buy right back in if you wanted, or put your money elsewhere, right? So you have to take your profits. If not, all that it pumped and back down, you basically just sat through it and didn't get any realized gains. So, but Nucypher right now, is it a good time to buy over $1? Well, I don't think that it is. Honestly, you see it went to $1.30, but this is going to continue to get pulled back down to this 80-cent marker. When we have a giant pump like that and then sideways, it continues on a downward trajectory until it either gets to this or close to the previous level before, or it hits a nice bottom and continues up. Most of the time it doesn't do that though, because if you have a descending wedge or a falling wedge, it can break out and go to the up. But normally when it's on its way down like this from a nice pump, it doesn't do that, just because of it already pumped and a lot of the money was sold, so wait for another dip. But I think it's going to pump again. And I think the next time that it pumps, it's going to go to an all-time high. So you could consider buying a Nucypher, not financial advice, but I would wait for a dip. But if you're already in the profit, I would recommend, say you didn't make it to $1.30, but I would wait till it goes like $1.06 or whatever, you know, and take those profits, guys, because it's going to go back down. So that's my opinion. I don't know that it's going to. I haven't looked at the technical analysis part of it, and it does always look like a bull flag after that. But as you see, it is on a trajectory downwards. It could repump again. I mean, I've seen it happen multiple times that after a crypto pumps like that and then goes down halfway. Now, if it goes down most of the way, it won't do it. But if it only goes down halfway like this, there is a definite chance of a bull flag. There is a definite chance of a bull flag right there and a pennant. So there's a chance that we could go either to 130 again or even higher than that. But we would have to wait for a definite confirmation on that. So these are things you need to see a clear breakout. Now let's go to TradeView and actually TradeView Nucypher. Is that possible? Trading view. Okay. $5. All right, cool. Here's our trading view. Overview, technicals. Okay. So yeah, wait, that's not trading view. That's a line chart. Technicals. Okay, look at that. Summary, strong buy, moving averages, strong buy. Okay, and this tells you all of where it's at. So this is a good page. Look, it's up to $1.07 now. So there are chances that it could go back up right now. It would be definitely a decision call. But even if you did get in right now, I would just ride it to like whatever you can get a little profit and then get out. But I wouldn't, that's risky. It's just too risky to do that. So I would wait either for a dip or wait for a confirmed breakout. So what I'm going to have to do is get out of here. I'm going to have to go to CoinMarketCap because I don't know how to use that system. I might learn one day, right? But right now we're on a video, so don't have time to learn on a video. So here's CoinMarketCap. Now let's go to get our Nucypher NU. Booyah. Then we go down here and we go to Trading View. Boom. See, that's what the Trading View is supposed to look like, not the line. See the line difference? See it? Trading View. All right. So let's minimize the old head here and okay. So as you see, this is not the first time that Nucypher has done this. Let's actually go to, nope, yep. Okay, there we go, new USD. There we go. So as you see, we went to 230 before, right here. So, there we go. Now, we had a bull flag that played out. It just went all the way down here. And actually, that isn't a bull flag. I would consider that a descending broadening wedge. That's what that is. A descending broadening wedge. And let's do it. It had a nice breakout from top to bottom. Yeah, this thing is really hard to use. I don't know why they make it so hard on the phone. I might not ever use this thing again, man, because I don't know how to use it, obviously. It just keeps taking the trend line away from me. Come on, please. Can we do something? Nope. And then it takes it away from me. Gosh dang it. What is wrong with this stupid thing, man? Ooh, it irritates me so bad. There we go. I don't know why it does that on this thing, man. It won't let me move it. All right. Anyway, as you see there, falling wedge or descending broadening wedge. Now, hopefully I can get this thing. Why is it doing that at that spot all the time, man? Come on. This is the worst CoinMarketCap. The worst. I mean, I can't even touch where I want to go because of this thing. There we go. And then up to here. There we go. So it does look like a pennant or a descending broadening wedge. So, or a descending wedge, a falling wedge, that could be it too. And then it broke out, as you see, to a clear blast off right there. But yeah, don't try to use TradingView on your phone unless you know what you're doing. It's really difficult. They make everything super difficult, and I think it's because it's a small area, but I'm gonna get the hang of it. Let's keep doing this. Let's figure it out. So you have to move this line, and then wherever the dot starts, you should be able to move it. So and then you can erase, erase, erase. Okay, let's get the hang of this thing. So you move the dot wherever you want it to go. Okay, that's what I did wrong. And then you press it and then you move it. Okay, so it's not that hard. It's just different than the other systems that are in place on the other ones. So yeah, there we go. Now I know how to use it. You just move the dot to wherever you want it to go and then press on it and then pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. There we go. So that's how you use it, guys. Just so you know, as I was struggling with it just now and I figured it out. So yeah, it looks like a possible bull flag type deal, more of like a falling wedge though. And it had a breakout. Now, if that happens again, let's look at it's all the way up to $1.13 again. So, it might be having a nice breakout again. As you see, we just had a confirmed breakout. So I would actually think this is going to go up even higher now. That's on the daily. Look at the hour. Yeah, we are blasting off right now on Nucypher. I just made, look at that, all the way to $1.19. Okay, now it's dipped back to $1.13. So it's a risk, man. You could make money on a blast off, or you could lose a ton of money. That's why they say higher risk, higher reward. This is definitely a high risk but high reward situation. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.